Argentinian economy is one of the most resource-rich countries in the world. Argentina's people enjoy levels of per capita income, urban growth, literacy and social welfare that rank among the highest in Latin America. The country's entrepreneurial class, large middle class and comparatively well-organized working class together with a small indigenous population and the absence of a significant rural peasantry distinguish Argentina from most other Latin American society. Argentina was long one of the most prosperous countries in Latin America. Its prosperity originated with agriculture in the Pampas, the economic heartland of the country. Argentina is one of the world's leading cattle and grain producing countries as well.